Okay, hello and welcome to this edition of Excel Quick Bits. Today on Quick Bits, we're going to be discussing the four auto functions: auto sum, auto average, auto count, auto max, auto min. These are four quick automatic functions you can select under the Home tab right over here in Microsoft Excel. As you can see, you have sum, average, count numbers, max, and min. So we're going to go ahead and start with the sum function. So we want to sum these cells right here, A1 and A2. We want to know the total. Now we know that's going to be 2, but we're going to have Excel do the work for us. So we're going to select where we want our data to wind up, our actual calculation. We're going to select that. We're going to go up to auto sum. We're going to hit the down arrow, and then we're going to actually select sum. It's going to give us a highlight here. It's going to give us the formula, A1 and A2, the sum. Just hit enter. And there is the auto sum of that data right there. Now we can also do the same thing with averaging. Let's say we want to average this column D here. For the data D1 through D6, we're going to select D7. That's where we want our average to show up. We're going to hit down arrow. Then we're going to select average. As you can see, we have our formula right here that automatically populates. And once again, we're just going to hit the enter key. And that gives us the average right there. Now for auto count, it's going to be the same thing. We want to count the values, the actual numbers that are in column F through cells F1 and F3. So we're going to go ahead and put F4 right here. We're going to select it. And then we are going to go down to the arrow on the auto sum, and we're going to hit count numbers. And then it's going to put the count formula in, F1 through F3. And what count's going to do, it's going to actually count how many numbers there are. 1, 2, 3 numbers. So we're going to go ahead and hit enter. And as you can see, there's 3 numbers. Even if I change this to, let's say, a 50, that's 3, you can still see this doesn't change because it's not adding these up or counting the max or anything. It's just counting the amount of values. 1, 2, and 3. So auto count counts the amount of values in a range. And the range is F1 through F3. This is a range right here. Okay, so what we're going to do is do auto max next. What auto max will do is it's going to find the maximum number in a range. So we're going to go ahead and we want to find the maximum number in this range residing in column I. So our range will be I1 through I5 because that's where our numbers end. So we're going to go ahead and select I6 because that's where we want our max number to show up. We're going to go up to auto sum. We're going to use the down arrow. We're going to left click on it. And then we're going to hit max. It's going to put the max formula in right here. As you can see, it automatically populates. Hit enter. And then you can see the max out of this range is 50, which is the highest number in this range. We also can do the same thing for the minimum number in a range. So we're going to move one over and we're going to do the auto min. So same procedures. Our range is going to be M1 through M5. We want our min number to show up in the cell M6, so we'll left click to select that. Then we're going to go up to our auto sum. We're going to left click on the down arrow and then we'll hit min. And then as you can see, it automatically populates the formula. We're going to hit enter. And then our minimum number is 1. Our lowest value is 1. So there you have it. The 5 functions that are in Excel, the automatic quick functions, are auto sum, auto average, auto count, auto max, and auto min. I use them once in a while, but I also know how to program them in the programming bar as well. So I guess it's really your preference on how you want to do it. Me, I generally program a lot, but it's completely up to you as the user. I'd like to thank you for tuning in to this edition of Excel Quick Bits, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips in the future. Thank you very much, and have a good one.